What up, what up, what up, what up, people? Out and about again today, man. Nice weather today, boy. The sun hot. I never thought I'd be saying that, but the sun hot.
Yeah, but the reality bites you when you go outside and it's
cold. When you go outside, the sun hot, but the breeze cold. What is about? Well, you know the norms. We out and about doing stuff again. You know, we just driving and taking care of business. What are we doing today?
Well, we need to go and get dirt or soil to plant some seeds and you know, like, how to say?
Kitchen garden.
Yeah, exactly. Yes.
Yeah.
And then we need to go and have the car washed.
Yeah, we starting a nice little kitchen garden, you know. So we're going and get soil to put in a box so that we could grow some short crops as
herbs and stuff.
Herbs and spices and stuff for the kitchen, right?
Yeah, you still have to plant the Trinidadian and Tobago scorpion pepper.
Yeah, still have the scorpion pepper to plant, boy. Yeah. Well, you know the drill. You always see it in a video, as usual. Duh. Okay, so you know what we just do. Stay tuned and watch the progress, right? We just arrived at the car wash. Going and get this car washed. This car in a mess. This car real dirty. Well, finally it gonna be clean now. So we're looking to go inside there just now and get the car cleaned up and have it looking brand new. Like we just bought it.
Hardly, but we'll try.
Yeah, well, yeah. It's all about trying.
Yeah.
You know? Alright. There's a car in front of us.
Terve!
Teillä on tämmönen.
Joo, tuli tuommoinen. Joo.
Hyvä. 12 € nämä vähän. Yes. Kiitoksia.
This one a little different to the other one, you know?
Yeah, this one is different.
Yeah, the other ones we went to, you know?
Yeah. Hyvä, kiitti. Ja saanko mä tällä kuitilla sit sen toisen pesun?
Mitä?
Saanko mä tällä kuitilla sit sen toisen pesun vai miten?
Ei vaan jos haluaa toisen, niin me annetaan teille semmoisen pesukortin.
No niin.
Jonka jälkeen sitten voitte käyttää sitä ihan milloin vaan täällä meillä.
No niin, hyvä, joo.
Olisitteko halunneet käyttää?
Joo, kiitos mielellään.
Okei, maksaa vielä 12 € päälle.
Mä maksan sen nyt.
Joo.
So, I didn't understand a word of what you were saying.
Joo, ootas ihan hetken. Pannaan sit tuolla kortilla. En mä katso tajunnut ollenkaan, että se oli. Hyvä, kiitos paljon. Joo, kiitti kovasti.
just spray a solution on our car. Now he's washing it off
With a pressure
with
washer.
a pressure washer. And then I guess we will go in and get the final wash from the machines.
Only neutral. See, it looks like somebody driving and somebody driving now.
But did nobody the thing on the floor pulling the car?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the car switch off. And it have this device on the floor pulling the car through. Yeah. And noisy.
Yeah.
This is real noisy, boy. See how clean the windscreen looking already?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
And now it will rinse.
yeah.
Now comes the
You're going to rinse now?
Mhm.
Alright.
see the motor sprays there on the side.
Yeah.
I guess there was some sort of wax,
Yeah.
nano wax they put.
Yeah. When the guy was spraying it on?
No,
Okay.
no. I think it's mixed with the soap. I'm not sure.
Alright.
Or maybe it was now, I don't know. But I paid for it anyway, so there has to be some sort of wax. Oh, see them. The water running nice. I think the windscreen is dirty from the inside as well. So I like it. And here on the left, you see, when it's time to start the engine, there will be a green arrow.
Okay.
It will soon start to count like from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See? 7. Yeah. Wait.
Amusement park?
We will come here in the summer. Now it's not even open. It's called Linnanmäki. life. There's all sorts of like fish and creatures. There's one, what do you call that? Like this yellow now, going around and round.
Yeah, that's a ride.
Yeah.
I ain't going on them rides.
And there's a Ferris wheel.
Neither.
Really scary.
I ain't going on none of them rides.
Really scary. And see that one with the flag? This kind of like violet. Okay, so that one also I think has like it looked like a donut. It go up there and people are sitting, and then it drop very fast. And there's another one behind it, the white pole. That one is the same kind of ride.
Okay.
Yeah. Horrible, horrible.
This guy looking like an Almera, so. This guy in front of me here.
Can be.
Looking like an Almera.
I think it is an Almera. Yeah.
Yeah, Nissan.
Nissan
Can't miss an Almera no way, boy. What kind of ride is that?
Well, I don't know what to call it in English, but it's a horrible ride if you ask me. I would never go there. I would never dare to go.
Me
Oh,
neither.
see them people there.
Yeah.
Them two people are fixing it, I guess.
Wow.
They are checking it for summertime. Did you see them people wearing
Yeah.
that orange and yellow? Yeah.
This is a ride?
Yeah, it's a ride.
Boy, I had to come back and see how this does.
Yeah, we'll come back down.
But,
We will
but
come
I
back.
ain't going on that.
No, no, no. You would have to pay me a lot of money.
And still, I don't think you could pay me any amount of money to go on this shit, no?
Yeah.
No.
Let me film it from this side. This is near the train track. Yeah. Trains are going.
Yeah, film that. Oh.
That's I think, well,
It look like
it
a
has to
cargo
go.
train.
Yeah, no, it's not a cargo train. There must be cargo as well, maybe, but this is going far, far because it has them double deckers and, you know, maybe sleeping section or department or I'm sorry, compartment. Is it compartment?
Yeah, so people sleeping in all them cabins,
Yeah.
that thing. How long that is?
Mm-hmm. Really long.
Oh, that's one train, right? Yeah, so this.
Yeah.
Well, we're at the recycling center. Look at this. PS1. Who thought I would have seen this again? 40 euros. PS1. Then we have what? Xbox 360s. What next? Television sets. They have keyboards, desktop computers. What again? Cables for PCs and stuff like that. Little speakers. They have PS3 as well. Wow. Boy, I don't like them PS3 working. Anyway, they have refrigerators, bicycles, television sets, clothing, you know, wares, all kind of good stuff. Look, they even have these audio players here, Pioneer and stuff, record players, turntable players. Wow, washing machine, all kind of little trinkets. They even have glasses, cups, clothes. Look at that. All these things at the recycling center. And the reason they call it the recycling center is because you get all the stuff that they have there for sale are recycled stuff, used stuff. So it's a used television, a used bicycle, everything is used. And you get it for a cheaper price, of course, you know. So $70 for this pioneer player. Record players. What kind of players? Turntables. Pioneer speakers.
And here we have some glassware, all different kind of colors. And there's a second floor, if this wasn't enough. In the second floor they have furniture, they have carpets, all sorts of stuff. And there's also a free section where you can just go in, pick what you want, don't have to pay anything. This is a great place to visit.
Well, we have come to the end of another exciting video.
Eli nyt on taas video lopussa. Oli mukava päivä.
What did I just say there?
Just same things what you said in English. Only I said it in Finnish.